What up, guys? If you're the type that want to quickly make money online or you like taking risk online, then this video is for you, because I just find out this platform where you're going to be making deposit and do some tasks and you can withdraw your deposit and your profit instantly the same day. So in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to get started and how you can earn and withdraw your money from this platform. If you're interested in knowing how this thing works, make sure you stick to this video till the end. To be able to be part of this platform, you will need to have an account. To have an account, there's a link in the description of this video. Go down there, click on it, and it's going to bring you to a page where you can sign up. And when you sign up, and to sign up is very easy, it's not difficult. All you need is your email address, and you put your password and you are good to go. So make sure you sign up and you join me on this platform if you want to be part of it. Now, before I go any further, I want you guys to understand something. I am not a financial advisor, neither is this video giving any financial advices. I am just showing you guys things I do online to make some extra cash online also. And if you want to be part of it, please do your own thorough research before you jump into this platform, into platforms like this. So guys, like I said, if you want to make money here, you just need to deposit, do some tax, and you can withdraw your capital and your profit instantly. So as for me, I've already made deposit, but I'll show you quickly the process, the procedures you can also go through to make a deposit. Just click on recharge, and once you click on recharge, it's going to bring you to a page looking like this. Now once you're on this page, all you need to do is to copy the wallet address, which is over here. Now the minimum to deposit on this platform is $3. All you need to do is to copy the wallet address. After copying the wallet address, then you go to your wallet wherever your USDT is, and make sure you send USDT TRC20. This is not Binance blockchain, so you make sure you use the USDT TRC20. That's what you should be using over here. So once you click on it, once you sent your USDT over here, is going to reflect on your balance. Already when you sign up, you'll be given a $48 on your balance as a bonus, so you can recharge and you are going to see it will increase. Right now I recharge 15 USDT. That's why I have the VIP 2 level that is open for me, and I did some tasks. That's why my balance is up to 71 USDT. Now I'll show you how to also do some tasks and you can start earning with your deposit. So all you need to do now is, after you deposit, you need to come over to this blue button where you can see the and icon over here. You click on it, and once you click on it, it will take you to where you are going to be doing your task. So all you need to do is to click on grab now. All you need to do is to click on grab now. Once you click, I can't do it now because I've already done some tasks. So if you click on grab now, it's going to, if you click on grab now, it's going to take you to where you are going to be doing some tasks. And what you're just going to be doing is to be confirming the orders. It's just 6 orders. All you need to do is to click on it, and it's going to show you that you have earn from this platform. So all you need to do is to click on it 6 times. You'll see 6 orders there that you can click on. You click on them and you are going to be earning on your balance. And after earning, all right, these are the ones I did. You can see them over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So after doing them, all you need to do is to go back and withdraw your capital and your profits that you earn from this platform. There's one thing I want you guys to also understand about this platform is you can only perform the VIP 1 task once and the VIP 2 task once. From the VIP 3 to VIP 8, you can do it repeatedly. You can keep doing it every single day. But for the first one, the 1 and the 2, you can only do it once. So the ball is in your court. You should make your choice. So if you deposit $40 US, you can be earning, your income can start from 28%. Take your time to read and check them out to be sure of what you're doing. You know, the percentage is kind of high. That's why I say it's only for those that want to take risk. All right, so now quickly let's go and withdraw from this platform. Okay, now I have to click over here. You click on withdraw. All right, so now to withdraw, you have to go to your wallet and copy your USDT wallet address, and make sure you are copying the USDT TRC20. This is it. It's not the one of Binance, so you have to copy the USDT TRC20. Now I've already copied mine. Let me just paste it here, and I'll put my phone password. So let me just paste it. All right, so I'm going to write my phone password. I have to pause this. Just did that. Now I just need to click on confirm modification. Click on it. All right, good. Okay, now my account has been bind. That's to say my wallet address has been bind to this platform. So now let me quickly make the withdrawal right away. All right, now to withdraw, let's just click on withdraw button over here. Okay, so let's write the amount we want to withdraw over here. I want to withdraw 20 USDT. Now let me click on 20. Okay, I'll write my password. Okay, so I just put my password right now. So all I need to do now is to click on withdraw. Okay, all right, now let's wait for withdrawal to land in our wallet, and I will be showing you everything. I'll be showing you if I got it in my wallet or not. First of all, if you like what I'm showing you, give this video a thumbs up, and if you've not subscribed to my channel, please go ahead, subscribe and click on the notification bell sign so you get notified each time I upload another brand new update. So like I said, this platform is for those that want to take risks and those that want to make money quickly online. Guys, I just got it in my wallet. I just checked, it took just few minutes and I got the 20 USDT in my wallet. So guys, if you're interested in this platform, the link is in the description for you to join. Deposit and you do the tax and you withdraw instantly your balance. That is how it works. I told you it's for those that want to take risk and those that want to make quick money online. This is how it goes. I just got this platform for you. So guys, if you like what I showed you, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe and click on the bell sign, the notification bell sign, so you get notified once I drop another hot one as it is hot. So guys, I'll see you again in the next video. Bye.